In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your connection on LinkedIn. To hide your connection on LinkedIn is super easy. First of all, open the LinkedIn application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to view your profile. Now click the settings button at the bottom. Inside the settings menu, tap on visibility. Now swipe down and look for the option where it says who can see your connection and tap on it. You will then be able to see the connection visibility option. Tap the toggle button right next to it. Now you have turned off the connection visibility button. Now only you will be able to see your connection list on LinkedIn. This helps you keep your network private from others. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.